The aim of this investigation is to understand the causes and population decline of the Indus River dolphin. This type of dolphin species is known to inhabit one of the world's most modified rivers. Fragmentation of freshwater ecosystems is increasing exponentially under infrastructure plans, and as a result, these factors influence the decline in marine diversity, particularly vertebrate populations. The study outlined 7 potential variables of causes and species decline across the 17 river sections in which the Indus River dolphin inhabited. Assessment reviewed included date of fragmentation, the year each river section was created, and when construction became operational, river length, the distance in kilometers between river barrages, the range and distance between separated dolphin populations between each river section, river size, assemblage, which river section indicated to be more favorable than others, river inclination, and river discharge over the dry season period. From these results obtained, it is fundamental to understand the trends in geographic patterns and the relationship between river discharges, as these factors prove to be the key characteristics in population decline of the Indus River dolphin. The Indus River map, as exemplified in Figure 1, demonstrates the presence of the Indus dolphin population between river sections 2 to 6, highlighted in blue and displaying a clear linear relationship. Overall, the river sections 8 to 14 highlighted that dolphins were no longer present, and this is an indication that these sections of the river were actually later fragmented by barrages. The difference in regions where dolphins were still present in sections of the river that were fragmented is mainly due to geographical range. From this, it was investigated that dolphins were more present in sections that are further from the range periphery, sections larger in length, as well as a thinner slope and a larger dry season discharge. However, slope was considered to be less significant than river discharge because it has not changed dramatically over hundreds of years. In Table 1, the arrangement of the river segments, although linear, lacks statistical evidence of an independent relationship, as there was no clumping of residuals as studies shown by the Durbin-Watson text of correlated errors. In contrast to Figure 3, it demonstrates the presence of the Indus dolphin species and distribution to spatial and temporal conditions. It is evidential that reduced flows directly impact the dolphin species by decreasing the space available to them, as well as reducing water velocity and increasing water temperatures. In turn, regulation of flow is another factor likely to impact the species. It is evident that the Indus dolphin species has deteriorated over the past few decades due to human activity and disturbance. In order to minimize the declining population rate, steps can ultimately be taken in preserving and restoring the Indus River dolphin.